FormFit Design process perfectly forms each liner to the detailed contours of your specific ride. StayPut Cleats help keep the liner from shifting around underfoot. Premium rubberized material is sporty, tough and lasts forever. Designed and manufactured in the USA. Replace your factory floor mats with superior Husky Liners custom-molded floor liners and discover peace of mind. No matter what you drive to get from here to there, no matter what your job is, you use your vehicle and it gets dirty. Gravity ensures that the messes that happen inside your vehicle end up on the floor. Drink spills, the gunk off your shoes and whatever the kids drop, all sink into a factory floor mat and ultimately your carpet. As if you needed one more thing to worry about? When you have custom-molded floor liners from Husky Liners, you can relax when the spills happen. Our floor liners are not your typical floor mats. Our engineers use cutting-edge laser scanning and computer design to create the world's best custom floor liners. Husky Liners fit the contours of your vehicle's floor area specifically and provide more coverage and more protection than the factory floor mats ever could. Husky Liners look great and install in seconds. They feature a raised lip around the edge to keep messes contained and away from your carpet. Husky Liners protect your investment by withstanding the damage from water, mud, dirt, oil, gas and battery acid. Produced from our innovative and patented material. Cleanup is amazingly fast and easy. Wipe your liners off with a damp rag. For larger messes, simply hose them off. Exclusive to Husky floor liners are Sta-Put Nibs on the reverse side that grip the carpet and help keep them in place. Get Husky Liners for your vehicle's carpeted floor areas, front row, second and third row, rear cargo and trunk. Offered in black, gray or tan to complement every interior. Hundreds of applications are available for cars, trucks, SUVs, crossovers and vans. Top reviews from the United States. Nice fitment in my Jeep YJ. Nothing to dislike. One was kinked on arrival. As described in the literature, set it out, I added a small amount of weight, the floor mat returned to the proper shape. I have a spray and liner on the floor, I wanted these mats to capture the moisture and mud. That works. The spikes on the bottom of the mat, fortunately, has not caused damage to my liner. The mats are not as stable on the liner as they would be on carpet or a softer surface.